Hi, welcome back to Gadana Tutorials. In today's video, you'll be learning how to use an online library called MyOn with your child. Let's jump right in. As always, choose your browser of choice, log on to Miami-Dade Public Schools, click on Student, and log into the portal using their ID and password. Once you log into the portal, you're going to go to the top and click where it says Apps, Services, and Sites. After you do this, you will scroll down all the applications till you find MyOn. If you click on the star, it will automatically favor the application and show up down here for easier access. If this is your first time logging into MyOn, you will have to complete a little interest survey and a questionnaire. Up here, you can choose the book language you wish to see. At the bottom, you will see the different categories. All you have to do is choose if you're neutral, you dislike, or like the category. When you're completing this interest survey, make sure you're honest. This will create a recommendation list for you to read. Once you're done, you scroll back up and you click Save. After, you'll be prompted to a questionnaire. Please make sure your child reads this carefully and answers the questions. After clicking the answer of your choice, you simply hit Save and go to the next question. Now your child is ready to look for a book. There's different ways you can do this. The first one is clicking a library. Below, you can click on recommended books, you can browse, you can find your favorite list, or you can search. Let's try clicking the browse button. Once you click the browse button, you will see all the different categories of the books. Let's say today I want to read about animals. Once I click animals, it will go into subcategories. Let's say I want to learn about dinosaurs. Once I click dinosaur, I can see there's 97 books related to my topic. Once I scroll down and I find a book that I like, I'm going to put my mouse over it. If I want to read this later, I can add this to my favorite list. If I did it by accident, I can remove. I can also click on info. Here, it's going to tell me what the story is about. It's also going to tell me what are the recommended grade levels for this book and how long the book is with how many pages. If I'm ready to read the book, I will click Read. After starting my book, I see I have different options on the side panel. Here, I have a dictionary where I can search up words I do not know. I also have a painting tool that lets me highlight on the page important information, like the title. If I do not want to highlight, I also have a journal where I can type out notes. I can also choose settings to modify my audio speed and what I want to see in the story. Once I have my settings in place, I can start my book. I can simply click the play button to hear it.
T-Rex Would Not Make a Good Knight by Thomas Kingsley Troop.
I can go to the next page by clicking the arrow. I can also move back to the previous page by clicking the left arrow. After completing the book, it will show you how much time you took reading and all the pages that you read. Click I have finished this book. Once you do this, you will be able to review your book. You could do this by rating this book stars. 1 star means you didn't like it that much. 5 stars means you loved it. Some books will have a quiz after the reading, others will not. As you can see, this one does not have a quiz available, so just click the return button. Your child's teacher can assign a book to read to the class. To look for a specific book, you can click on Library and hit the search button. This will allow you to search up the specific title of the book the teacher provides for you. This concludes our tutorial on MyOn. Please feel free to like and comment below. Let me know if this was helpful and what you would like to learn next. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share. This is Galdano Tutorials signing off.